Small is usually the size of real life. Surprises, I've got surprises. Surprises for the trickster. I got surprises for the trickster. Small is usually the size of real life. Whoa. They rather power in the service of evil than be subservient in the service of good. This is the decisions of millions, refusing to do what they should. Aesop was known as a last man, put the truth on the table in a fable. Centuries have never deciphered, but right now we're willing and we're able. There's a bright red star that rises every morning, rises before the indigo sun. Blue and white when it is high in the heavens, red when low on the horizon. Yeah, this star was dedicated to Satan, Magog and Gog of Japhet. I'm saying Luciferian, Kronos and Danai, and all the wicked sons of Seth. Yeah, how come they don't know laughter rises before the trickster? How come they put in their dismal, trusting that the fiscal decimal? How come they don't know laughter rises before the trickster? How come they put in their dismal, trusting that the fiscal decimal? This is a man only physical, cannot know the non-biological, will never know the spin of the spirit in the spiral. From the equator came the word equal. Old Mexico said Amaruga, men land of the blue-men serpent. I know there is a 14th century plan in the Vatican, awaiting 21st century implementation. How come you don't know laughter rises before the trickster? How come you put in your dismal, trusting on the fiscal decimal? How come you don't know laughter rises before the trickster? How come you put in your dismal, trusting on the fiscal decimal? From the roots of my head came the sequel. Them say sing every time they say angel. They pass the corner and spit scorn upon Gabriel. As the Christian pass the blind, he get blind as well. I know. How come they don't know laughter